Jai Hind cadets, myself DR Sonone, Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. Today we are going to see the very important concept from current electricity, that is the resistivity and conductivity. So as far as NDA examination, JEE NEET examination concerned, this point is very important. There may be a numericals or conceptual questions on the topic, that is resistivity and conductivity. So let's see what is resistivity and conductivity. First of all, we know that in any conductor, or we can say in any material, there is a property of to resist the flow of electron in a material, right? So flow of electron that resist by the property, that property is nothing but the resistivity, and the quantity which is actually play a role to resist the electron, flow of electron in the conductor, that is nothing but the resistance. So resistivity is one of the thing which opposes the flow of electron. If electron is flowing through the conductor, it means there is some property of that conductor which shows the flow of electron. The property is known as conductivity. If electrons are conducts good, then we can say there is a conductivity property, and both these property are reciprocal to each other. Means resistivity is reciprocal of conductivity and conductivity is a reciprocal of resistivity. So all these two is nothing but the property of conductor. This allows the flow of electron to flow through it, right? And this resistivity property are resisting the flow of electron from the conductor. So to study the concept of resistivity, we must learn the concept of law of resistivity. So law of resistivity states that the resistance of conductor is directly proportional to length of conductor. And inversely proportional to area of cross section. This is nothing but the law of resistivity. In that we can define the resistivity. So here law states that the resistance of any conductor is directly proportional to what? Length of conductor, and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. If I consider any conductor, if the cross sectional area of conductor is A, and if we consider the length of conductor is L, so according to the law of resistivity, resistance is directly proportional to the length of conductor L and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. It means if we increase the length of conductor, then what we can say? Resistance increases. If we increase the area of cross section, then resistance decreases. Vice versa, right? So here we can write, by removing this proportionality sign, we put here the constant, that is rho. So rho L upon A. This is nothing but the law of resistivity. In this formula, that constant rho is nothing but the resistivity of any material. As we jump for the unit of rho, then we can write for unit of rho, write here formula for rho, that is RA upon L. So we can write here RA upon L. We know that unit of resistance is what? Ohm. Area in meter square, length in meter. So meter and square get cancelled, we get formula ohm meter, or we can write by the formula ohm meter like this also. So this is nothing but the unit of what? Resistivity. right? So if we learn the formula for conductivity, and I already told you conductivity is nothing but the reciprocal of resistivity. So that conductivity is denoted by sigma, resistivity is denoted by rho. So sigma is nothing but the reciprocal of rho. So sigma is nothing but the 1 by rho. So here is meter, ohm meter is the unit of rho. If we write the unit of sigma, then we can write that unit becomes ohm meter to the power -1, and this unit is also known as Siemens. So Siemens is also unit of what? Conductivity. That is nothing but the ohm meter to the power -1. So in this concept we must learn, or we must remember, that if length is given, if they said that if length of the conductor increases, what about the resistance? Then we can say as length increases, resistance increases, but as area increases, resistance decreases. So for to know the concept, we must write here, as we can say length increases, then resistance increases, or vice versa. But if area of any conductor increases, then we can write resistance decreases. Here if we consider the area of conductor, if we increase area of conductor like this, then that time if area is increased, that time resistance of this conductor is also it will decrease actually, right? So there may be a questions on the basis of length, or we can say on the basis of area. They may say if the area of conductor is increases, what about the resistance, right? So here we can write R proportional to L by A. L increases, R increases, A increases, R decreases, and vice versa. So this is the concept which is very important. In next video we will see the questions comes in a ND examination, and before also in many examination the concept of resistivity is very important, and they have asked some numerical, or we can say theory based question. So in next video we will see the questions on resistivity. So thank you, have a nice day.